I got a bunch of comments recommending PETLIBRO's water fountain, so today I'm going to see what all the hype is about. First of all, you can use this as a wireless fountain, which turns on using a motion sensor, or you can leave it plugged in to run continuously. It's also pretty quiet compared to the other wireless fountain we've been using, and it has these latches to prevent your cat from opening the lid. It's pretty easy to clean and change the filter. It comes with this little brush and instructions on how to disassemble and clean the pump. You can use it with or without the spout, depending on your cat's preferences. The water tray is made of stainless steel. The only thing that I think would make this even better is if the entire thing was stainless steel, but overall it has a lot of great features, even comes with a 12-month warranty, so I can see why people like this fountain. If you want to check it out, I'll put the link below.